Today, Group 3 and Group 4 are going to debate a topic that has become increasingly relevant in many schools about random drug testing.
We from Team Pro
And we are from Team Control.
Hello everyone, my name is Maharani Cintawaya as the first
Speaker.
The motion we have drug testing in schools. We would define the first word of random. According to the Oxford Dictionary, random is something that is done or chosen without someone deciding in advance what will happen or without a regular pattern. So, drug testing is done randomly without without any announcement. The second word of drug testing. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, drug testing is the activity of testing of a person to see if they have taken illegal drugs or drugs that called illegal. We will limit our scope to the type of test we choose, namely blood tests, because according to the National Narcotics Agency or BNN, blood tests are one of the most accurate methods available for detecting illegal substances in the body. Our target group is high school or vocational school students in the DKI Jakarta area. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dirvidito Pertama from Absen 7. I agree with the implementation of random drug testing in school because this makes sure can be an effective preventive measure against drug abuse among students. Because drug user among high school or vocational school students are commonly found due to factors such as mental pressure and environment. Supporting data from BNN Jakarta, according to National Narcotic Agency in Jakarta area, it has been proven that around 418 or 0.4% of high school or vocational school students tested positive for using several substances such as marijuana and amphetamines. In addition, the use of blood test as the primary method is considered more accurate is detecting illegal substance in the body. So the results are reliable and provide a strong basis for school to take a provide contractive measure by implementing random drug testing. School area able to get to safer, especially for high school or vocational school students. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dilma as secondary. Random drug testing is a drug test conducted suddenly without prior notice and is considered effective in preventing drug use in school. The test used is a blood test because according to the National Narcotics Agency or BNN, this test is the most accurate method for detecting illegal substances. This measure is important to implement for high school students in Jakarta because drug abuse still occurs due to mental pressure and environmental influence. BNN data shows that around 400 or 0.48% of students tested positive for substances such as amphetamines. By conducting student and accurate tests, schools can detect drug use early, provide appropriate assistance, and create a safer and more controlled learning environment. Thank you.
My name is M. Saitus Iqbal. Random drug testing, student and announcement using blood tests. Due to their high accuracy is an important and effective measure to prevent and detect early drug abuse among high school or equivalent in DKI Jakarta. This measure is important because mental pressure and environmental influence remain triggers for drug abuse, as evidenced by BNN data showing that a small percentage of students tested positive for illegal substances. By implementing these tests, schools can provide appropriate assistance and create a safer and more controlled learning environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hasan Hassan as the speaker one from Converting. For the first argument, violation of the student privacy and right according to Amnesty International 2023 in London, random drug testing without specific cause can be considered a violation of the human right and individual privacy. Students have the right to bullying and privacy and personal information that must be protected, especially in educational settings. It should be safe and supportive environment. This includes invasive procedures such as blood tests, which involve even greater intrusion into a student bullying and integrity and require careful justification and consent.
Hello, my name is Nara Sutaniro. I do not agree with random drugs testing in schools. This method is not always effective because students can have drug as so the main problem remains our self-worth. Moreover, random testing can cause mental stress, stigma, and fuel students' regrets. Experience if blood tests are assessed as the main method. A more effective approach in education, counseling, and positive activities that help students make wise decisions without feeling mentored or forced. That's why drug prevention is more humane and safer for students. Thank you.
Good speaker highlight important point about random drug testing in school. You see that this method can violate student privacy and create stress. You also see that it does not solve the root problem of drug use. Blood tests make the situation even more interesting. You can support students with education, guidance, and positive school activities. This approach protects their rights and creates a safer environment.
Everyone, as speaker 4, from the overall debate, we can conclude that we contrast with random drug testing, especially blood tests, because it can violate student rights, cause stress, and fail to address the underlying problem. A better solution is focused on the prevent through education, counseling, and support. This approach protects student privacy while creating a healthier and safer school events room. Thank you.
So that's all from us, and thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Bye.